Hi guys, so my name is Arina. Today I'm going to teach you on how to make dressing table with flip door here. Alright, so first we go to System Cabinet and change the first button as for dresser. Okay, here I will use this one and drag out and position it to this way, and I extend it a bit to 900 to make it a bit larger. So here is where we're going to install the flip door. So we need to change this panel to door. So you press B, press to this panel, right click, transfer to door panel. So automatically it returns to this color. So in order to divide it, so we need to click it back, and you can see there's a divide button here. Click divide and you can change to how many division do you want. So let's say we want to make it as 2. So confirm. You can press O to check on the opening. But let's say you want to make it flip to the other way. You click to the panel here and then change to flip door and let it to be upper. So you can see the movement of your panel change to the other way. Same goes to this one. Change to flip door upper. So by mean, this is how you going to have your own dresser table with flip door. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you.